Hey guys, today I'm going to be flying my helicopter. See over there on that box? There's the flashy light. So I'm going to try to land it in all three of these obstacles. And in my first one, no. Okay, I think I might be gonna spin out of control. So, enclosed area. Landed on my second obstacle. Now to land back on this box. Landed it. Now we are going to fly until this video is at 2 minutes. That's when my helicopter, and I'm going to try to land it back there. Landed it. Man, I'm good at this. I don't want to go too fast. For sure I thought I wasn't gonna get out of there, so, you know. Crashing. So, now, oh no. Okay, so I'm gonna land it back on its retrieving pad. Over here. Land that. Uh-oh. I can't land it anymore. So you don't want to crash, so. God, I'm going way too fast. Uh-oh. Enclosed area. I get swung around in enclosed areas and start spinning. And I can't. Go out, and I can't get out of it. Or else my helicopter starts spinning because I go out of control. Ah, dang it. Where's that? Ah, dang it. Okay, guys, well, that was the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe, and goodbye now.